Hello everyone. Welcome back with the new video. In this video we will learn complete usage of count functions in Excel, which include count, COUNTA, COUNTBLANK, COUNTIF, and COUNTIFS functions. So let's start the video. Before moving on, please follow the channel so you don't miss any new updates. We will start with the count function, which count the cells which has numbers in it. For example, if we select these positions, result would be 0. Because there are no numbers. But now when we will select Salaries column, numbers of cell will appear which has numbers. As you can see, when we select all salaries, total cell are 26, as you can see here, which match the count above. Now we will learn COUNTA and COUNTBLANK function. COUNTA. Count the number of cells which are not empty or blank. Use COUNTA function. Select the data and hit Enter. As you can see, number of non-empty cell has been calculated. Now we will use COUNTBLANK function. It count the number of cell which are blank. Use COUNTBLANK function, select the range, and hit Enter. As you can see, number of non-empty cell has been calculated. Now we will learn how we can count based on conditions and criteria. If we have single criteria, we can use COUNTIF function. But if we have more than one criteria, then we will use COUNTIFs function. First, select COUNTIF function. Select the range from which you want to choose the criteria and count. Now select the criteria based on what should be counted, and hit Enter. Drag down the formula. As you can see, number of designations has been calculated. But if you have more than one criteria, for example, you want to count number of designations based on the office's locations in these cities, now we have two criteria, we will use COUNTIFs function. Select COUNTIFs function. First select the criteria range 1, and then criteria 1, which are these designations. Now select the criteria range 2, which are these offices' locations. And now select criteria 2 here. Drag down the formula. As you can see, number of designation based on cities has been calculated side by side. If you like the video, please hit like and follow the page for further videos. You can also see further video in the playlist given on Excel tips and tricks.